and info cards to your YouTube video. So I've already uploaded my YouTube video. As you'll see, it's this one. All you have to do is hit next. So it goes as add an end card screen. So I hit add, and then there's all these different templates. It's the last 20 seconds of the video. So typically my favorite is this. Can I move? And then I just kind of move things where I want it. I like that. I like to hit best for viewer, and then I also like, let's see, don't want anything specific. Video most recently uploaded, yes. This one I want to go away. There we go. These are the two I like, and then this is the subscribe button. So save. Yeah, so now at the end of my video, the last 20 seconds, can I view it? They just changed things. Yeah, see? So when I say bye, these things will pop up. My computer's doing a lot right now, so it's not that clear. So we're going to save that. We're done here. Done. So then to add the info cards, you just hit add cards. And I think the max is 5, and I always put 5 in my video because why not? And I like to do, you know, videos that I really like, that I'm really proud of, or things that are going to be really helpful to whoever is watching. That's helpful. Let's see. Yeah, sometimes if I want a specific video, I have to go find the actual URL. Let's see, videos. I want this one. Doesn't need to play, I just need the link. Wow, cute face. And then you just paste it there, create card. This one. This video is just funny, or I think it's funny. It's not really adding any, you know, helpful advice to anyone's life, but there you go. And there you have it. And once you're done, just hit return to YouTube Studio. Everything's saved. And yeah, when you upload your video, the end screen will be on there and the info cards will be there.